A very good morning and warm welcome to all of you from the press and media present here. Radha Smelters is a steel TMT bar manufacturing company having its unit located in Medak district of Telangana. Radha Group is a 60 years old company started by my father, Sri late Radheshyam Saraf, 60 years back. Whatever we are today, it is due to because of his enterprising vision and clear-cut guidelines to us. Radha TMT is known today for its quality and product excellence. Today, our product caters to long list of reputative construction, retail, infrastructure and government projects strategically located in Medak district of Telangana, which is the fastest growing state of India. Radha Smelters caters to the demand of quality steel through our state of the art plant in Medak district. The plant includes electric arc furnace, ladle refining furnace, concast, re-rolling, and the best of the testing facilities. We are approved and accredited by Telangana State Housing Corporation, NHAI, Board of Chief Engineers of Telangana, GHMC, BHEL, Irrigation Department, RNB, AP Education Department, BHEL, and a long list. Radha Smelters manufactures various grades of TMT bars. Now we have started manufacturing 550D LRF TMT bars with high ductility and tensile strength, ideal for critical infrastructure and high-rise buildings. With this new product of Radha 550D LRF TMT, I am proud to say that Radha TMT joins elite group of companies, manufacturing companies like JSW Tata in delivering quality product, which is also the first time in South India through the LRF route in the private sector. The company aims to reach a turnover of 1500 crores 2022-23 financial year. Also, I would like to mention here that all this could be achieved only because of excellent promoter and professional coordination and teamwork in our company. We have excellent professionals and engineers at our plant and office level. With this, I would like to thank you and conclude for all of you for coming and gracing this occasion. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you all members of the press and media for being here today. Let me start by asking you a question. Let's imagine that you've all won a lottery in which every year you get a new car. No matter how you treat it, no matter what you do, you get a new car every year. How much would you value this car? I would not value it much because at the end of the year, I would get a new car anyway. I would go over speed breakers fast. I would let my nephews eat ice cream in the back seat. I wouldn't care because I'm getting a new one. Now let's imagine a scenario where there's no lottery and the car you have is the only car you have for the rest of your life. How careful would you be and how much would you value it? Just as the car in my story is permanent, so is steel inside your building. You can change the tiles, paint, plumbing, even the electricals, everything. But steel is truly forever. And that is why Radha TMT and Radha Smelters have been on the forefront of innovation and new technology so that we can continue to provide the highest quality products that are used in critical infrastructures such as high-rise buildings, bridges, or even dams for individual house builders. So that when you have used Radha 550D LRF TMT, you have a touch of permanence and safety and security in your building. Radha 550D LRF TMT, the very first in South India using the advanced LRF technology, ensures higher ductility and greater strength. Now you must be thinking, why 550D? Why Radha LRF 550D? Well, steel is a peculiar product where you need it to be strong in order to hold the weight of the building, but it also needs to be flexible so that you can bend it into whatever form you need and whatever structure you want to create. Radha 550D LRF allows the best chemical composition that allows an optimal combination of both strength and flexibility, which can only be achieved through the LRF route. Now you have heard the word LRF multiple times, and it is obvious that LRF is the star of our production process. So LRF basically stands for ladle refining furnace, is basically how we adjust the chemical, alter the chemical composition of our steel to provide a world-class product. How it works is that a ladle, which is basically like a bucket which carries molten steel, it is inserted with electrodes, and due to an electrical process, a very high-tech process, we are able to alter the sulfur and phosphorus of the steel to the required and over and above standards set by the BIS. Due to this, we can create a TMT rebar which I guarantee will last forever and will be used in all critical infrastructures such as bridges, dams, and high-rise buildings. The LRF also removes other additional inclusions so that the steel is of the highest quality and exhibits superior mechanical properties as well. With such technology and processes in place, one can rest assured that every single TMT rebar that comes out of the Radha factory holds the distinct Radha stamp of quality and reliability. Radha 550D LRF is set to create a new benchmark and achieve its status of being the preferred brand by every leading builder, architect, structural engineer, and even a house builder across the country. And here are a few more reasons why. We have an integrated steel plant, which means that right from iron ore to the finished rebar, all the processes are in-house and we have complete quality autonomy over it. We have the latest tech, as I mentioned, like the LRF. We also have a fully automated steel rolling mill, high-speed rolling mill, which reduces any human errors, which eliminates all human errors actually. We also have the German Thermex technology, which enhances the uniformity and consistency and creates a inner and outer core, which again enhances the flexibility and strength of the bar. Additionally, we have a lot of stringent quality control and testing procedures so that we have a completely error-free manufacturing process. We have multiple labs, we have multiple latest automatic testing machines to ensure this. We at Radha TMT are committed to serving the nation, and we promise you that we will continuously improve and innovate our systems so that we can enhance the products we provide you with. We are honored for the trust you have shown us during the long 60-year journey, and we hope and thank you for your continued support. Thank you once again.
On 6th of December at HICC Novotel, మేము లాంచ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎల్ఆర్ఎఫ్ కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్ గురించి లాంచ్ ప్రారంభిస్తున్నాము. సో మా తరపు నుంచి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతిస్తున్నాం. అక్కడ మీరు దయచేసి తప్పకుండా అక్కడ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తారని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో అక్కడ లాంచ్లో ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ గురించి ఫర్దర్గా డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ప్లస్ దానికి సంబంధించిన ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్, అంటే ఎట్లా తయారు చేస్తాము, ఎల్ఆర్ఎఫ్ అంటే ఏంటి, అవన్నీ కంప్లీట్ టెక్నాలజీ గురించి అక్కడ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దయచేసి మీరు అందరూ అక్కడ వచ్చి తప్పకుండా కవర్ చేయాలని చెప్పి మేము కోరుతున్నాము. ఇంకొక ముఖ్యమైన విషయం గమనించాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, మా బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ రానా దగ్గుపతి గారు అక్కడ లాంచ్ చేయబోతున్నారు ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఈవెంట్లో మా ప్రోడక్ట్ని. తర్వాత ఇంకొక విషయం కూడా మీకు తెలియజేయడం ఏంటంటే, మొత్తం క్రీడాకి సంబంధించిన, టెడాకి సంబంధించిన, తర్వాత ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ సంబంధించిన టాప్ బ్రాస్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్స్, చైర్మన్స్, ఆ కంపెనీస్కి అందరూ అక్కడ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో వాళ్ళు అక్కడ రాదలుచుకున్నారు.
So steel and all commodity markets are fundamentally very volatile in nature. So through COVID, we have faced a lot of challenges in procuring raw material. So there have been phases where we have been able to pass on the cost, and there have been phases where we had to absorb the cost because the customer is suffering for short of labor and all. If you see, our primary raw material to make steel is iron ore and coal, and both have been very fluctuating over the last 18 months. So coal prices, which were 5,000 rupees at the start of the pandemic, reached a high of 20,000 rupees last month. And again, they have come down to 11,000 rupees. So you can understand the fluctuation, and we have to be mindful of our customer when we are supplying. And we try to see how to best find a win-win situation for the customer and us, where we try to maintain a balance along with our competitors and see that we are giving the right price to the customer, looking at our competition and looking at our raw material prices. In the first couple of months after the pandemic, we faced supply side issues, but we have been able to manage that post that, where we have been able to operate our plant at good capacities after that. And post that, this year the industry has been able to ramp up capacity, and the industry will be producing around 110 million tons. India is the second largest manufacturer of steel in the world. And although we have good iron ore, we are dependent on steel making coal from different exporting countries like Australia, Indonesia, the US, Canada. So getting steel making coal is a challenge for Indian steel companies, where we are dependent on the price what other countries are also buying at. China is a huge importer. So China produces almost 900 million tons of steel, which is 9 times of India's steel production. So it kind of sets the market in terms of what pricing they set for the raw material globally. So India as such is a price taker for the steel industry. And if you look at the Telangana market would be around 0.3 million tons market per month for steel consumption. And if you make it annual, it will turn out to be around 3.6 million tons. So we are trying to see if we can get around 7 to 8% of the market share here in Telangana with our company. We are trying to, right now, currently our market share would be around 3 to 4%. With the expanded capacity, we would be reaching 7 to 8% market share.